Hi, I'm Dr. Usha BR. I'm a gynae laparoscopic surgeon and fertility specialist. I'm practicing in my clinic which is called Usha Specialty Clinic. This is located in JP Nagar second phase. It's a dedicated center for fertility, maternity and laparoscopy. Normal delivery or natural delivery is the best mode of delivery. We don't consider pregnancy as a disease. It is a physiological phenomena which should also end physiologically in a natural or a normal delivery. But how do we achieve this? Going through labor pains is like running a marathon. It is not easy. Labor pains are supposed to be the most painful, but yet most of the women go through it. How do they go through it? Will you be able to go through it? Is the question which most of them have in their minds. Okay, but we prepare the women during the 9 months period to run the marathon and to bear the labor pains. Now we do this in various methods, various ways where we actually prepare her physically, mentally and emotionally for the D-day of labor. Now first is the mental makeup of the patient, which is very important. Now it is important for the lady to have a strong will that yes, I will have normal labor, I want to have it. So we prepare her for this. How do we do that? Most often, it's the patient's anxiety as to what is going to happen. How will it be? That is what, creates fear in them. We have childbirth education classes where we educate the women as to what is normal labor, what to expect, what are the events happening, what does the doctor do, how will the pain be, how should you cope up with the pain. So knowing what is going to happen will actually reduce anxiety, and if you know, okay, this is what is going to happen during labor and this is what I should do to reduce the pain myself, then I will be able to go through the labor better, isn't it? So in that way we are preparing the lady through these education classes. And the second method what we do is we actually subject all the women to yoga classes or physiotherapy classes. Now why we stress so much on these exercises is these are exercises meant specifically for pregnancy. Most of them have backache or aches and dull aching pains and cramps during the 9 months of pregnancy. If there is somebody doing these exercises, they will not have these pains rather. And in turn, slowly they are also getting prepared for the labor day. In fact, most of them who go through these classes regularly, who are doing the exercises regularly, will have more chances of having a normal delivery, will have a significantly shorter duration of labor, they will be able to cope up with pain better. That is what we regularly see. Now the other method of reducing or increasing the chances of normal delivery would be to have epidural analgesia. For patients who are very sensitive to pain, I would advise that they go through epidural analgesia so that at least their pain is reduced. But what I see in my regular practice is patients who have been regularly exercising, they themselves will tell that no, we don't require analgesia, we will go through the labor pains. So it is all about wanting to have a normal delivery and the mental makeup of the patient. If you want to watch more videos from me, please subscribe to Dr. Circle on YouTube channel.